Hello friends, my name is Chanchal Agarwal and in last session we were discussing problems for converting grammar into language, and in today's session we will continue with some more problems. Okay, so if we have given a problem like this, means we have a grammar and we have to convert this grammar into a language. So first of all we will generate one length strings. Okay, for generating one length string, this starting symbol should be replaced by any of the terminal symbol. So S should either be replaced by A or S should either be replaced by B. So one length string are A or B. Okay. Two length string is not possible, because if we replace this S by this A as A and then we replace by a terminal, then it will not generate two length string. It will generate three length string like this. Okay. So three length strings are, if we replace this S by first of all this production, and then for generating, I have told in last session, for generating strings. Okay, strings always have the terminal symbols, not have the variables. So we replace this S by A, so it will generate triple A. And if we replace S by this production BSB and then we replace it by A, so it will the string will be BAB, and similarly it will generate ABA and BBB. Okay, four length string is not possible. So coming to five length strings. Okay, so if we replace the starting symbol by A as A, then again we replace this S by A as A, then at last we will have to replace this by a terminal for generating a string. So it will generate five A's, A. Now if we see like this, these are some possibilities of five length string. You can generate more five length string also. Okay, so if we replace the starting symbol by ASA, then if we replace, we can take any production. So if we suppose this time I am replacing this S by BSB. Okay, so and at last I am replacing this by A, so what it is generating, ABA. Okay, and similarly I have done this replacement also, and now it is generating BAA. Okay, now we have to analyze these strings and we have to find the language, that what is the language this grammar is generating. So suppose you read like this. Okay, A, or you read in forward direction, or you read in this string in backward direction, A. Okay, now you take this string and you read it in forward direction, BAB. Now you are here and you read this string in backward direction, BAB. Similarly, you take this string and you read it in forward direction, ABA. Okay, now if you reading in this backward direction, ABA. So while you are reading this in forward direction or while you are reading this in backward direction, the string is same. Okay, so either we are reading this string in forward or backward direction, the sequence of word is same. That is the property of palindrome. Okay, so this language is generating the palindrome. Now see that we are not able to generate two length string, we are not able to generate four length string. This language is only generating 1, 3, 5 or 7 or this, so it is odd number of palindrome. Okay, so this language is for odd number of palindrome because it is generating these kind of strings. So now coming to the next problem. If you have a language like this is sorry, this is by mistake, and if we take this language, so for zero length S should be replaced by epsilon, then we cannot generate one length string. Okay, because if we replace this S by epsilon, though it will generate two length string. Okay, so we can generate AA, then we can generate BB, so it is two length string. Now we cannot generate three length string from this grammar. If we trying to generate four length string, so we can we can make the replacement like this. S can be replaced by ASA, then this S can be replaced by BSB. You can generate more number of four length string. Okay, I have shown only two strings. So in at last I have replaced this by terminal. So what will be the string? A B B A. Okay, then A. So either you are reading it in forward direction or either you are reading in backward direction. The string is same, but this time it is generating even number. Okay, so this is for even number of palindromes. Okay, now what is this grammar? So we have seen in last two problems that it is for odd number of palindrome. Okay, and this is for even number of palindrome. If we have written all these here, means this was for odd and this was for even, so it is for all number of palindromes. Okay, you can clearly visualize this. Now if we have this problem, okay, now coming to the next problem. If we have this problem, so now first of all generate the strings, generate the string minimum, then one length, then two length, then three length. Okay, and then at last analyze the grammar, that what it is trying to say. Now first of all we will replace this s by a terminal symbol. Okay, so we replace this by this, so the string is epsilon. Okay, the string is epsilon. So can you generate one length string? No, because if we replace this s by epsilon and we replace this s by epsilon, so it will directly generate two length string. Okay, because here we have a and b, or here we also have b and a, so we cannot generate one length string. So now if this s can be replaced by epsilon and epsilon, that it will generate a and then it will generate a terminal b, and similarly it will generate b and it will generate a. Okay, now if you three length string you can you cannot generate. Now coming to the four length string, if you replace this s by, you can replace this s by any of the production a as bs or b as as. Okay, so either you can replace this s or you can replace this s. Okay, so if you replace this s by a as b s and then again you put a epsilon, you replace this by epsilon, it will generate a and then b. Okay, then now if you replace this by epsilon and you make a replacement like this, it will generate a b then b a. Okay, now if you make a replacement like this, so it is generating a string b a. Now you can generate more number of four length string. Now you can not generate five length string. Now if you if you generate six length string, okay, so you can make a similar replacement of s here and then you can generate any six length string. Now we have the string in the grammar like this: epsilon ab ba bb, like this. Okay, so analyze the grammar and see what it is trying to say. Means the means see that it can have ab ba, it can have AABB. Means see that sequence of A and B are it is not the matter of the sequence of A and B, but see in all the strings that number of A and B are same. See either it is this sequence or it is this sequence or it is this sequence. If you will generate six length string also, then the number of A and B will always be same, but the sequence does not matter. Okay, either it is coming in this sequence or b is coming b is coming forward to a. Okay, or either it is coming in this sequence, but you always see that the number of a and b are same. So the language will be any string, and string belongs to a b closure, means any combination of a and b, but the number of a is equal to number of b. Okay, now coming to very important note and the last topic. If you take this language, okay, if you take this language a, what I am trying to say, that for one language you can generate more than one grammars. Suppose we have this language, and if we write a grammar like this, so s tends to ab. Okay, and then you, if you are replacing this a by epsilon, then b by a, so the language will be a. Or you can make a replacement like this, that A can generate A and B tends to epsilon, then also it will generate A. And you can write a grammar like this also, that S tends to A and then A tends to epsilon, so it will also generate A. So this is one grammar, and this is one language. Okay, and for this language you can write these three grammar. You can write either this and this or this grammar. Okay, so for any language you can write more than one grammars. It is not compulsory that a language has a specific grammar. You can write any grammar. Okay, now for but the important point is, for any grammar individually it has one language only. If this is a grammar, it will generate only one language. If this is a grammar, it will generate only one language, not more than one language. So a grammar can generate only one language, but for a language we can write more than one grammars. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you like the video, so please click on like and subscribe button.